Hello, as you know, my name is Kaintan the Genius, and today this is a new course I developed, Support Vector Machine, but I call it ABC of Support Vector Machine. It's going to be really easy. It's a series of 6 lessons I made for you to understand Support Vector Machine, because I know that many students have actually told me the Support Vector Machine is really difficult for them to learn. So I decided to make this very simple course for you. So a series of 6, as I mentioned. I'm not going to be doing it here. I'm going to be going back. I have to go back to the screen to actually teach you Support Vector Machine. So this is just an introduction to tell you that it's really easy to learn Support Vector Machine. What you simply need to know is follow the series of 6 lessons I made step by step, and you're actually going to understand Support Vector Machine. I'd like to thank you for viewing, and go to the tutorial 1, because this is just an introductory tutorial. Another thing I want to tell you is I'm here to teach you. I'm here to let you understand anything you want. So anything that is difficult to understand, challenges you have, leave it in the comment below. Tell me this is the challenges you have, because my work is to actually teach and teach my subscribers and teach every other student or scholar who would like to learn. So maybe you subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and anything you really want to learn, just leave it in the comment box below and I'll be there to teach you. I'd like to thank you for viewing, and also I'd like to wish you success in learning machine learning, Support Vector Machine, and any other thing you'd like to learn.